This lesson is bank accounts, calculating beginning, ending balances, or missing transactions, which are known as deposits or withdrawals. The required materials for this lesson are the dry erase markers and the cloth. What we're going to do is we're going to work on example number 1 in the manual. The beginning balance is 100. So we'll start off by putting 100 in the top row where it says beginning balance. That's $100. You can see that we have commas to separate each set of 3 place values. So the hundredths unit is right there, and after the decimal are the pennies. So we have $100 in the beginning balance row. Then it says that we make a deposit of $80. So on the left is the deposit, and on the right is the withdrawal. So we'll start off by placing $80 in the appropriate cells with the decimal in the appropriate place. And then we'll also have one withdrawal that is $40, and we place that on the right side of the board. So to calculate the ending balance, we take the beginning balance and we add the total deposits minus the total withdrawals, and we get the ending balance. In this case, since we only have one deposit and one withdrawal, we won't actually calculate the totals. So we take 100 plus, which you can see the plus sign here, plus 80 is 180, and on the right side we subtract 40, leaving us with an ending balance of $140. We'll go ahead and clear the board, and we will solve problem number 2. We'll start with the ending balance, and instead of adding the deposits, we're going backwards, so we're going to subtract the deposits and add the withdrawals because we're going in reverse. So 250 minus 75 is 175, plus the 32 is $207. So now we have the beginning balance of $207. You may have to ask students to do their work on a separate board. You can use board number 35, or you can use regular paper, and they can work in their manual. For problem number 3, we'll start with a beginning balance of $300, and we have an ending balance of $215. Both of these are given to us, and we have a withdrawal of $110. What we have to do here is we have to calculate the missing transaction. So we have to determine how did we get from the beginning to the ending balance after we take into account for the withdrawal. So 300 minus 110 is 190, but our ending balance is 215, which is a difference of $25. So to move from 190 to 215, we have an additional transaction of $25 that is positive. And so that goes on the deposit side, and we have now finished the entire problem. This is how you use board number 32 to calculate beginning, ending balances, or deposits/withdrawals.